G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today we've got another charger here from GT Power. Now this is their 2-channel intelligent charger. You can charge up many different types of batteries, as you can see here. And it's also known as the X2MINI. Now being that it's a 2-channel charger, you can charge up to 2 different batteries at the same time. Okay guys, so this one's rated at 200 watts. The 200 watt input with the DC power, and up to 100 watts with the AC, okay? And the max charge current is 10 amps by 2. All right guys, so yeah, neat little charger here. There's some specs on the side here. It has it can support lithium high voltage batteries, built-in high precision microprocessor, okay? So it's more efficient, intelligent power allocation. And there's a list of all the batteries that it can charge. So Lipo, LiHV, high voltage Lipos, lithium ion, nickel metal hydride, nickel cadmium, and PB batteries. We've also got a QR code to their website, so if you want to check that out, I'll leave links in the description guys, and a bit more information there on the box. So let's open this up and take a closer look, and then I'll charge up one of my Lipos here. Now this one does not have a bullet style connector here for the charging. This like this, for example, on my iMax B6AC, the main source of charging is from a cable like this, but this one is only XT60 compatible. So luckily I have a older battery here that I found. I've got a 3S Turnigy 5200 milliamp hour from an old drone, still in pretty good nick, so I'll be using that to demonstrate this unit. Okay guys, I don't typically use XT60s. Majority of my Lipos are Dean's plugs. So anyway, let's have a closer look, and we'll show you how it works. Okay, first off, we've got the user manual here guys. Okay, so all the information you need to know regarding this charger and how to use it is in this manual. Okay, so pretty informative, you can quickly flick through that. Okay, we have the charger itself just here. Really nice little compact charger, this one. As you can see, it's got a cooling fan on the top. All your button layouts for your menus and confirmation buttons are here. The screen on this one is pretty much identical to my older iMax, okay, B6AC. That's what I've been using for quite a while now. So the same sort of outlay as that. So yeah, on the side here, you can see there is no bullet connectors to plug into. This charger is basically designed for XT60 in mind, okay? I've got some adapters actually on the way, XT60 to Dean, so I can use my Dean's batteries on this particular charger. So there's the input there, and we've got the balance plug lead will fit in there. As you can see, you put the negative of the balance lead on the side there. All right guys, AC input from the charging cord, and on the other side you have a second channel here, same sort of layout. We also have a micro USB on the bottom here for firmware updates, and we've got your DC input here should you want to use a power source from another XT60 Lipo. Alright guys, so on the bottom here there's some venting, and it looks like we've got a nice heat sink underneath the actual power board to stop it from heating up, as well as, you know, you've got the cooling fan on top. So yeah. And last but not least guys, we have the power cord. Obviously I've got the Australian one. If you buy this particular charger, you'll get one sent to you, no doubt, to suit your country. Okay guys, so let's get this 3S Turnigy Lipo, this 5200 milliamp hour 3S Lipo, hooked up on the GT Power X2MINI charger. Okay guys, so I just turn the power on, and you'll hear the fan kick in for a moment there. And here is the main screen. Okay, I might just zoom in a little bit there. And you can see the outlay of the buttons here. So we got the select, stop, decrease, increase, and then we got the start. Okay, so We've got the battery type here first off, and you can choose what type of battery. So lithium ion, lithium polymer high voltage, LiHV, PB, nickel metal hydride, and NiCad. Program select, load data, save data as well. Got the user program cell meter, so you can just check the cells here, I guess as it's charging. Okay, so we'll get out of that one. Let's get back into that. Okay, so we've got that. You've got user program settings, nickel metal hydride sensitivity with a peak, NiCad sensitivity, temperature cutoff. Okay, so it's got set at 65 degrees or 149 Fahrenheit. Safety timers, capacity cutoff, so you can set your milliamp hours. If you want the beeper on or off, I don't really mind it, so I'll leave it on. Input power low, cutoff, and factory reset. Here's the product version and firmware upgrade, should you need to do so. Alright guys, so what we want to do, go back. I want to set up the Lipo here. Alright, so we're going to choose enter. I've just set it here, 4 amps. I'll go up to 5, because this is a 5200 milliamp hour Lipo. Okay, so we've got that set, 11.1 volt, because it's a 3S, and I'm going to balance charge it. Now, what I noticed with this charger, it's either got fast charge. Let me just stop that. It's only got fast charge and balance charge. Now, this does not have just a regular charge mode or a discharge mode, which I found rather odd. So yeah guys, this charger is primarily used just for charging purposes only, so keep that in mind. Okay, I thought I'll bring that up before I start charging here. So I don't know if any other channels have covered this in their reviews, but yeah, you can't discharge with this one. I looked in the user manual and I couldn't find anything on it. So I'm going to balance charge here and we'll just let it go. Okay, confirmation check. As you can see, this screen layout for the menus is exactly the same as the IMAX chargers. Okay, and off we go. Okay, so it's charging at 1 amp at the moment. You'll see that rise, or it should rise. We've got our milliamp hour counter here. Let's see if you can see that. 8 milliamp hours. Okay, the fan just kicked in. So it's charging at 5 amps now. It's gone up to 5 amps. If I press, it should be this one. Yeah, we can see the different cells and where they're at. So I've got cell 1 at 3.91, cell 2 3.9, and cell 3 at 3.9 at the moment. Okay. We've got a fuel percentage here, 84% charged, because it was pretty much in storage, a bit over storage rate actually. Storage rate is 3.85, so this one was a little bit higher than that. You can see that, and basically back to the main screen again while it's charging. So the fan is working, I can feel it. Okay, up the top here, so that's kicked in because it is charging at 5 amps, so it's keeping everything cool. So that's basically it guys, that's all I can really show you with this one. Obviously, being a 2-channel, you can charge another XT60 on this side. Just got this one to show you, so unfortunately I can't show you it charging 2 XT60 Lipos. But anyway, I mean, it's not a bad charger. You know, like I said, it's primarily used just for charging only, so you could do a fast charge or a balance charge, guys. All right, so I'd like to thank GT Power sending this one out for review. I like how it's got a cooling fan. You know, it's got a nice heat sink underneath, and it's portable. It's actually smaller. Let me just compare it. Okay, it is actually smaller, okay, than the IMAX B68C Mini. This is a mini one. You can get the larger one. So, you know, for portability, it's pretty good. yeah, so if you're interested in this one, guys, like, I'll leave the links in the description where you can get it from. I believe you can get this one from Banggood, AliExpress, and a couple other places. I'll leave a link to the GT Power website as well. Alright guys, so yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one. Until next time, have a good day.